friends, and welcome back to the Scrappy Fox Facebook Vault group sale. So every once a month, only one weekend a month, I will bring out stuff from previous mystery kits. They go up for one weekend only. It is called the Vault sale, and you get a discount code, which is in my Facebook group. So if you are a member of the Facebook group, you will get the discount code. You can still get this without the code if you don't want to join the group. But if you want the discount code, you just go ahead down to below. I will have the Facebook group linked. I post the code for the weekend. I do this every month. I bring out a Vault kit from a past sale. This was from January of 2021. So this is called Simply Meant to Be. I've got washi this time that matches. This was not available when this kit first went out, so I will show you the washi. But let's just go through the kit sizes so you can see. TPC add-on. So this is the add-on for the TPC. Let's see if I can get it all the way in without everything else being there. You can see it. So there are 5 boxes here, and they all have the artwork in them. And these all fit in a TPC Nation sidebar. So these are like little sidebar things, but you can use these in any sidebar if you wanted to. Like, it doesn't have to be the TPC one. They just happen to be rounded on the bottom to fit into the TPC sidebar. So that is that. You can add that on to either the mini kit or the deluxe kit. I'll go through the mini kit first. So you've got 8 full boxes, and this one is the Simply Meant to Be artwork. So this was the Valentine's Day art. This is the restaurant Les Chaises in Ratatouille. You know that if you've seen the movie, there's an upstairs and a downstairs. The upstairs caters to the small critters, and the downstairs into like the large human-sized people. So you've got boxes for each with a lot of the really favorite couples that are in there, including a couple from the Ratatouille, which are so cute, rescuers. You've got Jack and Sally. You can recognize all these. I'm not going to go through them all, but you can tell 8 full boxes here. This is the mini kit. So there's only 4 pages in the mini kit. This is all your washi and your date covers. Here are your numbers, like your date dots, some little extra fun boxes, and then some more functional boxes, and one with a big scene from the front. And this was actually what the dashboard was. When this came out as a mystery kit, this was the dashboard, and it has Wally and Eve and the outside of Les Chaises. And then here is your functional with some glitter dividers, weekly spending, today's to-dos, importance, and work labels, and your movie marquee. So this is the mini kit size, just the 4 pages. Set that off. Deluxe, I'm not going to go through all of this stuff again, but again, you have 8 full boxes, but on this one, you've got the 9th full box here with Wally and Eve. It's a little bit of a close-up of that front thing. You've got your date covers and your washi. This one's got 3 pattern art boxes in the back with a place in the front for you to write, your date dots. This one is your functional page with all your to-dos, today's importance. This one is a functional page as well, but now you've got more of that artwork that's up close that you can use. More functional stuff with your littles, pattern boxes, and check boxes. This one is the fun page. I call this one the fun page, but it's got some of your like your checklist stuff, your paint swatches, and then all the doodles. And then this one has a full skinny. This time I did a full skinny box here, so it's like a double box, but in 1.5 wide size tall box. That's what I was trying to say tall box. So this has a tall box with that. This was, like I said, was the dashboard. Then you've got some glitter and some pattern dividers. So that is the deluxe kit. And now I will show you a close-up of the washi. So bring out my little pad of paper that I like to put my washi on. So this one here, it has a silver hollow, is the glitter or foil. Why do I say glitter? Because it's glittery. And then this one says, I love you all over it in that same silver hollow. Let me bring it up where you can see it. So you've got a solid, so this is not at all like artwork from the kit. It is artwork from the papers that were used, but this can be used with anything that you have that you need some reds with. Like, this is a really pretty maroon right here, and it's like a watercolor with the I love you all over it. And then this one is the pattern paper with the hearts. So there's hearts in the background. You can kind of see them there. And then it just has the sparkles on the top with the silver. So these are good to use with any of your Valentine's Day kits, not just with this one. So that is everything, just to show you what's in the Vault sale this weekend, but the code works with everything, including all the new releases that have come out. I haven't done the new releases video yet. It is going to go up probably right after this one. So if you're curious about what other things you can also take a discount code on, I will show you the new releases here. Just keep an eye out for that one. This sale starts on Friday, so it'll go from Friday through Sunday. Join the Facebook group, like I said, it'll be linked below, and get your discount code for the whole entire shop for that. And that includes all of the books, all of the storage, sticker storage, everything goes on sale for the weekend. So hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I will see you soon with the next one. Bye.